By having the kids explore nature with a camera, I think it gives them the opportunity to really slow down and observe their natural surroundings. It's just really fun, you know, it's really engaging, and they keep me on my toes, they keep me curious about things, and then we explore together and we learn new things together. They ask great questions. They're really fast learners. My name is Kristen Grace, and I am the staff photographer for the Florida Museum of Natural History. It's really fun to watch the stages of growth and frustration throughout the week. So at the very beginning of the week, they come to class, they have a new camera, they have no idea what they're doing, but they're really excited to learn. We come out here to the Nattle area and we look for bugs, we play around with our macro settings. This is a great spot to do that. So encouraging them to sit with a subject and really work it to make that right picture, the picture that they want. But it's in the summer in Florida, and we spend a good deal of the time outside. And so midweek, they just don't know what they're doing. They're tired of taking pictures, and we keep pushing, and we push beyond that. You know, at that point, we start pulling out tripods and experimenting with slowing our cameras down, capturing motion, stopping motion, doing some really fun, creative things. And it starts to spark up that creativity again. And then probably the gem of the camp is Friday when we go to Blue Springs. We have some underwater cameras that they can play around with, cap it off with a refreshing dip in the cool springs. And by the end of the week, they've produced an image that is museum quality. I mean, we print 8x10s, we mat them and frame them, and we have a photo show. And the minute they lay eyes on those prints, they have so much pride in the work that they've produced, and they can't wait to share it. They stand tall and they talk about what they learned, and it's just it's like a light switch. You see a whole new child at the end of camp, and I think that's something that they'll take with them for the rest of their lives.